Open the menu by clicking the logo or menu icon at the top. Click Spots in the menu to view your spots list. Click plus New Category to start creating a category. Enter your category name into the New Category field. Press Create to save the new category and continue. Click the floating Add button to create a new spot. Enter a name for the new spot. Add details about the spot, like features or location. Click Upload Image to add a photo of the spot. Click Create to save the new spot. Click the Actions drop-down for this spot. Select Edit to modify the spot. Edit the spot details. Current ergonomic chair. Click Save to apply your changes. Click the QR icon to generate the QR code. Click Download QR code to get the QR image. Click the browser's download icon to download QR code. After printing it on self-adhesive paper, cut out the size or design you like and place it where users can easily scan it to book a spot. Click the icon to open the floor plan menu. Select Floor Plan from the menu. Click the Add to create a building or space. Type in the building name. Click Add to confirm this input. Select Main Office Building to manage its floors. Click Add to add a floor to this building. Type the floor name into the input field. Click the Upload area to upload a floor plan file. Click Add to save the selected file. Open the All Categories drop-down to select a category. Choose Hybrid Office Desks as the category. Click the plus icon to add a spot to the image. Drag and drop the spot to the desired location. Resize the spot using the plus or eat icons. Click the plus icon to add another spot to the image. Continue adding and resizing spots until your layout is complete. Save to apply the changes. Click the icon to open the menu. Select Rules from the menu. Click the icon to add a new rule. Type a name for the rule in the input. Search for a metric or condition in the field. Choose total bookings per week from the options. Enter the allowed limit number. Click Save to apply your rule. You can add more rules if needed. Each rule can target different conditions, and they can be combined for more advanced control. Or, continue exploring other parts of the app to complete your setup. Click the menu toggle in the top navigation to open the main menu. Click People in the menu to view colleagues. Click Add Colleague to start inviting a new person. You can enter a single email or paste up to 50 addresses to invite multiple colleagues at once. Click the small plus button to add the colleague. Click Invite to send the invitation. You can now invite more colleagues or open the User's Options menu by clicking the drop-down button and assign them access to specific categories. Open the User's Options menu by clicking the drop-down button. Choose Set Category Access to manage this user's categories. Check Hybrid Office Desks to grant or revoke access. Click Save to apply the category changes.